Way to reduce your energy bill is regular HVAC maintenance. So regular HVAC maintenance is just when a technician comes out every 6 months or a year and does preventative maintenance, including inspecting whatever type of system you have to make sure it's running efficiently and cleaning different parts of the unit. At the end, they'll give you an update on how everything looks and make sure you're changing your filters regularly. The purpose of this is to make sure the HVAC system is running efficiently and extend its useful life. The cost of a maintenance tune-up is around $75 to $200 per visit, and the savings can reduce your electric bill by 10 to 15% and extend the life of the system 3 to 5 years to help you avoid a $5,000 to $10,000 replacement.